Garlic shrimp pasta recipe. Salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put 100 grams of spaghetti. Cook it as per package instructions. Drain it and set aside. Run it through cold water to prevent it from further cooking. Put dry pot on cooker. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 1½ tablespoon of butter. Add 20 grams of diced garlic. Sauté for 15 to 20 seconds. Dice and add 1 medium onions. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Sauté until raw smells good. Salt to taste. Add 175 grams of shrimps. Ensure shrimps are peeled and deveined. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook the shrimps on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. They can get hard if cooked longer. Add the cooked spaghetti and gently combine all using a tongue. Garnish with coriander leaves or parsley. Sprinkle mixed herbs and serve hot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.